Sa buong magdamag sa kisap ng ilaw na iyong dala sa hagap ng agwapani.
Excuse me po, ano yun? Alam niyo ba kung nasaan dito sa showroom?
Doon lang po sa gilid ng kilid.
Sige po, salamat.
He's into
Why are you late? I'm sorry, Miss Holcomb. I woke up late this morning. Of course, excuses.
Mr. Honor, you may now take your seat. And you must be the one from screen, right? You should have.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Malaya and I am a transfer from Butuan City and I'm pleased to meet you all.
Oh my God, these are...
Okay, excellent.
So in this subject, I'm going to tell you the do's and don'ts in my class. Okay, class, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am! Yes, ma'am.
So today we're going to tackle about addition and subtraction of binomials. Any volunteers to answer the problem on the board? Okay, miss, what's your name? Okay, stand up and solve the problem on the board. Okay, Miss Reyes, this is correct. You may now take your seat. Okay, class, pay attention. The question is, why is this answer correct? So, let me explain. This is answered understood to be 1. And if you add this, we have 3. Then, copy the variable 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. But because of this sign, you have to change it into multiple. 6 plus 3 is equals 9. That's answer. So that makes our answer 3x squared minus 2x plus 9 is our final answer. Okay, class, try to answer this in your notebook. Class dismissed.